Hello and welcome to the course Next.js Web Development. Master this powerful React framework. In this course, you'll get familiar with one of the most powerful React frameworks, Next.js, and learn how to build modern websites and applications with it. Over 36,000 students have enrolled in this course, and it has received an excellent rating of 3.9 out of 5. The regular price of the course is approximately €20. I am offering this course to you completely free of charge, with no payment required. At the end of the course, you will also receive a certificate of completion. Join us in this video to learn and make progress on your journey. First, open your browser and type gotodiscounts.com in the search bar. Then, click on the relevant link to directly access the website. Make sure that the text you type is exactly gotodiscounts.com to be redirected to the correct page. On the main page of gotodiscounts.com, there are various categories available for you to choose from. By selecting the appropriate category, you can easily find the courses you're looking for. In the open page, courses related to the selected category are displayed, especially the course we are interested in. To view more details, simply click on the course link and you'll be directed to its page. The course page will open for you, and you can view the course details here. Please note that the discount for this course is not permanent, so make sure to pay attention to the expiration date to be able to access the discount coupon for this course. And click on the Go to the Discounted Course button. As you can see, I was able to get this course completely free of charge through gotodiscounts.com instead of paying €20. However, keep in mind that this discount is only available for 2 more days and will no longer be accessible after that. Don't miss out, take action now. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Feel free to share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Goodbye.